I'm Julie Harrison, Improve Your Health, and this week's health tip will help you if you're a tea drinker and you're still using tea bags. Epichlorohydrin and polypropylene are still used in the practice of making tea bags. This type, or the pyramid types, they use these chemicals and they are supposedly safe because the melting point is much higher than you'll get when you're making a cup of tea. But these chemicals do actually start to break down at much lower temperatures. And if you're enjoying a cup of tea a number of times a day, you're constantly being exposed to it. So my health tip is to switch over to loose leaf teas, such as these. This is a lovely rhubarb one, or green tea, or even better is to grow your own herbs. This one's a lovely mint. My favourite is mint and nettle, which is just gorgeous. What you do need to remember though is teas need to be organic because they absorb very readily the fluoride, the heavy metals, any pesticides, toxins that are in the soil and the water, and will accumulate them. So it's important that you have organic loose leaf tea grown in a clean environment. So that's my health tip this week.